Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is the RC Glow Motion Drone from Sharper Image, and this is available at Walmart now. And I'm not going to waste a lot of you guys' time with this one. I'm just going to let you know early on that this is not a good one. This one has obstacle avoidance, and the obstacle avoidance just doesn't work very well. I think that it's just not implemented well. The problem is, once it detects an object is close to it and it begins to fly away from it, it'll stay in that action of flying it away from that object for entirely too long. And so this thing will be flying away from something for about I think 4 seconds, and that's way too long, especially in a small room. But this thing crashes into walls even in a large room, because when it's in the act of flying away from an object, the obstacle avoidance is turned off temporarily. And so that's a big problem with it. I guess it would be a go if the obstacle avoidance was still active when it's flying away from an object, but it's not. It turns it off, it seems. And so this thing doesn't react to any motions or any objects close to it when it's flying away from something, which results in this thing flying into walls and stuff. And so it looks awesome though. It has lights all around it. The on and off switch is on the bottom here, right there. So if you hold that or press that, the lights will start flashing. But as you set it down, it'll go solid to blue. And then when it's flying, you actually have to toss this to get it to start flying, because there's no transmitter or anything. But once you toss it, the lights will start changing gradually. So the lights will stay blue. They'll go to a yellow color when it's flying away from things. And usually when it's in the yellow color, it's crashing into something. It'll change into a purple color, and it'll turn red to let you know that it's at LVC, low voltage warning. One other good thing that I can say about it is that this one has the obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides. So it has one on the top even. Usually they'll have one on the bottom and all four sides, and they'll be missing the top. But this one does detect things from the top, so that eliminates it running into the ceiling. It'll sense if it's getting too high and about to hit the ceiling. The other ones, every once in a while they get stuck on the ceiling, but most of them work a lot better than this one because of the problems that I already mentioned about this guy. It really doesn't come with anything except for this USB type C charging cable. I guess that's a good thing that it's USB-C. It is up to date with that, and it has this instructions manual. Nothing else, no spare props or anything like that. Well, the props are fully encased inside the body there, this protective shell or barrier. So you're not going to have any prop strikes anyhow. But the problem is this guy doesn't do what it's supposed to do. So I also had another issue with this guy staying in the air. I had problems with the accelerometer. A lot of times I would toss it up and it just wouldn't stay in the air. It would just go down, and it's just too many problems for me to feel comfortable with recommending this thing. So this is the RC Glow Motion Drone, an obstacle avoidance drone from Sharper Image, and it's available at Walmart. I would steer you guys away from this one. Thanks for watching.